Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today we are diving review the Harley legend is back. Harley-Davidson has brought the iconic Knucklehead into 2025, blending vintage heritage with modern performance. Design. The 2025 Knucklehead pays tribute to its 1930s roots. From the sculpted fuel tank to the retro-styled engine covers, it keeps the old-school charm alive. But look closer, and you'll see updated finishes, sharper lines, and a refined modern edge that makes it truly timeless. Performance. While the name Knucklehead brings nostalgia, under the hood this is a thoroughly modern motorcycle. Powered by a strong V-twin engine, it delivers smooth, reliable performance. Add in advanced suspension and state-of-the-art braking, and you've got a ride that feels both classic and contemporary. Technology and comfort. This isn't just about looks and power. Harley has infused modern technology, improved ergonomics for rider comfort, upgraded lighting systems, and safety features that ensure every ride is as thrilling as it is secure. The comeback. Harley calls it the legend returns, and they're right. The 2025 Knucklehead is more than a motorcycle. It's a revival of history, redesigned for today's roads, and a true symbol of freedom on two wheels. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead. Heritage meets innovation. A modern classic, built for those who want to ride the past into the future.